Hello friends, now we start up next video of GK. First is, there is no net transfer of energy by the particle of the medium in which waves. Answer is stationary wave. Jaspal Rana is a distinguished athlete in which game? Answer is shooting. Which provide the largest part of the demand for loanable funds in India? Answer is corporate business. Next, Moho discontinuity lie at the depth of approximately how many kilometers? Answer is 400 km. Who was well known patron of the Madhyana of Buddhism? Answer is Kanishka. From the evolutionary point of view, which is the most primitive animal? Answer is turtle. By whom are the Chief Justice and other judges of High Court are appointed? Answer is President. What is the reduction of oxide which carbon at high temperature called? Answer is smelting. Which is the highest plateau in the world? Answer is Pamir Plateau. Next, who authored the Tamil epic Shilpkadirikam? Answer is Ilango. Next, S. Vijay Lakshmi and Nisha Mohita are associated with which game? Answer is chess. How many gold medals did India win at 11th Asian Games? Answer is 1. At what level does the Natura 2000 network operate? Answer is European. Next, which atmospheric layer that reflect radio waves is called? Answer is ionosphere. Next, how is the Mani Makai is looked? Answer is has the Odyssey of Tamil. Where can we report the UPSC discussed? Answer is in Parliament before being accepted. Next, conversion of the chemical energy into electrical energy occur in which thing? Answer is battery. Again repeat, conversion of chemical energy into electrical energy occur in which thing? Battery. Next, what is the main source of the revenue to meet difference expenditure? Answer is internal borrowing. What is line on a map which join place having the same rainfall called isoheight? Which Gupta king is famous for his courage stand against in Huans? Answer is Skandgupta. Now you can recheck the answers. Now next series start. Sex determination of the child is done by whose chromosome? Father. Who is the authorized to decide over a dispute regarding disqualification of a member of parliament? Answer is President. Who firstly demonstrated experimentally the existence of electromagnetic wave? Answer is Hertz. Which is the not essentially a species of Himalayan vegetation? Answer is Mahogany. What are the main channel of our knowledge about the Indus Valley civilization? Answer is archaeological excavation. Next, when is International Human Solidarity Day observed? Answer is December 20. Next, the United Nations declared 2001 has which international year? Answer is International Year of Volunteer. Next, what is effect of the oversecretion of hormones from pituitary gland? Answer is increased growth in length. Which type of the forest cover the maximum area in India? Tropical moist deciduous forest. Answer is tropical moist deciduous forest. Next, what was the rate of the land revenue has given in the Dharma Shastra? Answer is 1/6. The Lok Sabha is called in session for at least how many times in the year? Answer is thrice. Heating pipes in air to remove sulfur is known as which name? Answer is roasting. If the cash reserve ratio is lowered by the central bank, what will be the effect on credit creation? Answer is increase. Next, the Matalia multi-purpose project is located in which state? Answer is Uttar Pradesh. What did the name of Ratnakar denoted in ancient India historical geography? Answer is the Indian Ocean. Next, Queen Berry rules is the name given to rules in which game? Answer is boxing. By whom the concept of survival of the fittest has advanced? Answer is Herbert Spencer. Next, when can salaries of High Court judges be reduced? Answer is during a financial emergency. Which shipyard is known for the manufacture of budget, coaster and degrades? Answer is Garden Rich Shipyard. In which country was Buddhism first propagated outside India? Sri Lanka. Now we can check the answer. Now next questions. First question is, which is the UN program and not special agency UNEP? Answer is UNEP. Who is the author of the famous novel Gone with the Wind? Charles Dickens. Next, which mammal rolls itself into a ball at the time of danger? Answer is hedgehog. Which state has the largest forest area? Answer is Gujarat. Sufi kalam, a type of devotional music, is the characteristic of which state? Answer is Kashmir. Next, which directive principle of state policy has not been implemented so far? Answer is Uniform Civil Code for the citizen. When some detergent is added to water, what will be the surface tension? Answer is increases. What is the situation which increase unemployment and inflation termed? Answer is stagflation. Next, Port Blair, the capital of Andaman and Nicobar Island, is located in which island? Answer is South Andaman. What was the original name of the Tansen, the most famous musician at the court of Akbar? Answer is Ramatanu Pandey. Which Sanskrit poet called as the Indian Shakespeare? Answer is Kalidas. How many chambers are found in the heart of frog? Answer is 3. Next, which amendment accorded precedence to directive principle over the fundamental rights? Answer is 42 amendment. Next, which is the biggest lake in India? Answer is Chilka Lake. Which Indian ruler established embassy in foreign countries on modern lines? Answer is Tipu Sultan. Next, in an atom or order of filling up the orbital is governed by the principle Abahu principle. Answer is Abahu principle. Which decade is celebrated as the United Nations Decade for Women? Answer is 1976 to 1985. Next, which agency has power to declare any industrial unit as a potentially sick unit? Answer is BIFR. Next, which are the west flowing river of the southern India which flow into Arabian Sea? Answer is Narmada and Tapti. Next, when was the Indus Valley civilization flourishing? Answer is during the 2500 to 750 BC. Again repeat, 2500 to 1750 BC. Now you can recheck the answer. And thank you so much.